Hi dear learners, most welcome once again. As you know that our first chapter electrostatic has done. Today I am going to start my new topic current electricity. It is unit 2. It will cover 7 marks in the HP board examination. Okay. The unit is 2 is current electricity and its first part is electric current and resistance. Okay. What is electric current? It is defined as the flow of charge per unit time. It is defined as the flow of charge per unit time. In other words, we can say that rate of flow of charge is known as current. I is equal to Q upon T. What is Q? Q is charge, its unit is coulomb. What is T? It is time, its unit is second. In other words, its unit is ampere. Then what is ampere? 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb per 1 second. Coulomb second inverse is equal to ampere. Okay. And device which is used to measure current is known as ampere meter. Ampere meter. Ampere meter is a device used to measure current. Okay. It is a scalar quantity. Which type of quantity is this? This is a scalar quantity. And what will this equation say? This equation say I is directly proportional to I and inversely proportional to time. ठीक है? We take example. This is an electric bulb. The electric bulb has a charge of 2 coulomb and charge 2 coulomb and time is again 2 coulomb. And what is the value of current? By substituting this value in this, I is equal to 2 by 2. It comes out to 1 ampere. Okay. Now I am changing the value. I will take charge of 4 coulomb and time of 1 coulomb. What will happen in that case? I is equal to 4 1 second, sorry, 4 upon 1 second. I is equal to 4 by 1, which comes out to be 4 ampere. Here we have taken time of 2 seconds. Here we have taken the time of 1 second. Means to say that in that case the value of the time is less. If the value of the time is less, then the value of the current is large. If the value of the time is large, the value of current is small. From this equation we can say that these statements. If the value of the time is less, the value of current is large. If the value of the time is large, the value of current is small. This is the current. And what is current? Which type of quantity is this? This is a scalar quantity, and the direction of the current is positive to negative. Okay. How? The value of the direction of the current is positive to negative. Positive to negative. We take the example. This is resistance connected to the battery terminal. Okay, resistance positive, negative, positive, negative. Okay, this is negative, and the direction of current is like this. This is positive to negative. This type of direction is there. This is the direction of the current. Okay, current are regarding as two types. Current are classified into two types, AC and DC. AC stands for alternate current and DC stands for direct current. What is alternate current? Alternate current is that current whose magnitude changes continuously. Alternate current is that whose magnitude changes continuously but direction changes periodically is known as alternate current. This is the representation of alternate current. What will happen? This curve is like this. Here we can say that the magnitude is maximum. This is value is known as I naught. This is maximum value. Okay, as maximum value, and this is the value opposite to maximum value. And this is curve is periodically changes. What is the definition? Magnitude changes. See that the magnitude of current is changes, and the direction is also changing. But how the direction is changes? Periodically. And this is 0, 180, 360. Okay. We'll take the example. What is alternate current in household implies the electricity board give us 220 volt. What is 220 volt? It is in the form of AC. In India, we will get 220 volt supply from the electricity department, which is equal to 50 hertz. What is the meaning of 50 hertz? Means to say that polarity is changing 50 times. Polarity is changes 50 times in 1 second. Okay, as we know that frequency is the reciprocal of time. It means that polarity changes 50 times in 1 second. And what is 220? This is the supply given by the electricity board. From this curve, it is clear that the magnitude is continuously changes, and you will see that what will happen. Also, the direction is periodically changes. And what is 50 hertz? This is the supplies given by the electricity department. And what is the meaning of this statement? It means that the electricity department gives us 50 hertz, means to say polarity is changes. Polarity, what do you mean by polarity? Positive and negative charges is known as a polarity. Polarity is continuously changes with time. And how much time is there? There is a time of, how much time is there? There is a time of 1 second. Okay, the next is direct current. Next is direct current. Then what is direct current? Current whose magnitude and direction remain same is known as direct current. From this diagram, see here the direction and magnitude of this diagram remain same. The direction and the magnitude of this diagram is remain same. Direct currents are the what is the example of the direct currents? We take the example of direct current are batteries, cells, etc. as the example of direct current. Okay, I will explain everything as well as alternate current and direct current with the help of diagram. As you know that a device is known as inverter. Okay, inverter which is attached to battery. Okay, and inverter is attached to main supply. Main, and main is attached to appliances. What type of appliances in the home? Fridge, refrigerator, LED. There are a lot of appliances. Washing machine that we are using. And which type of current in battery? It is DC. And which type of current in main is AC. Okay. Now what will happen? What will happen? Battery give current to inverter, then goes to main. Means to say DC is converted to AC. DC is converted to AC in that case. Okay, and this is a main. Okay, now after some time we have to also charge the battery. Inverter is used when the light is goes down, but after some time we have to charge the battery. Then what we will do? We take current from the AC. Then what will happen? This convert AC to DC. This process is used to charging the battery. AC to DC. The process is used to charging the battery, and this process is used to when the light has gone down, then battery give light to inverter, and then main and some part supply to different part, and for charging the battery AC to DC, and there is some device which are in inverter like rectifiers, and some devices which convert AC to DC are used, which we will displace in the electronics chapter. Okay, and this is all about AC and DC. AC is alternate current and this is a direct current. AC used in our household appliances, and the DC is a direct current. They are used in the form of cells and the battery. If you have any problem regarding any topic, kindly consult my WhatsApp number. Have a nice day. Thanks a lot.